In this how-to tutorial, I will show you how to close a trade on the TradeLocker platform. Once we are logged into the TradeLocker account, you can see we have an open trade. We have 4 convenient ways we can close trades. The first way is by clicking the X button on the trade from the chart window. The second way is by clicking the Close Trade button from our Positions window next to the trade we wish to close. The third way is by clicking the Close All button. This will provide me with multiple options to close my current open positions, such as all positions, all positive positions, all negative positions, and all pending orders. The fourth and final way to close positions is by clicking the Close Partials button. This will allow me to close out a part of my position, and the remaining position will remain in the market. Thanks for watching, and be sure to browse our other how-to videos to ensure you get the most out of your trading experience with GatesFX.